Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out the best oscillating wall-mounted fan on the market, the TMWINGS 18-inch wall-mount fan with remote. This fan is designed to deliver powerful airflow while saving valuable floor space, making it perfect for bedrooms, gyms, offices, garages, or warehouses. Right off the bat, what makes this fan stand out is its convenient remote control. You can easily adjust the fan speed, control the oscillation angle, set the timer, and turn the fan on or off without leaving your seat. The remote gives you complete control, making it incredibly user-friendly for any space. This model features a robust 18-inch blade design with 5 blades made from aluminum, allowing for efficient air circulation. It offers 3 adjustable speeds, so you can choose between a gentle breeze and a strong, powerful airflow depending on your cooling needs. The fan oscillates at a wide 120-degree horizontal angle, and it also tilts vertically up to 60 degrees. This dual motion ensures the airflow covers a large area evenly, keeping the entire room comfortable. One of the best aspects of this fan is its ultra-quiet operation. Despite its powerful airflow capacity of 4,000 cubic feet per minute, the noise level stays low at just around 40 decibels. That means you can use it in your bedroom or office without it disturbing your sleep or work. The fan is powered by an upgraded DC motor which is energy efficient, helping reduce your electricity bill while delivering strong performance. It's designed to operate on standard 120 volts, so it works well with most US outlets, although it may require a converter if you're outside the US. Installation is straightforward. The wall mount design saves floor space and allows you to install the fan at any suitable height for optimal air circulation. The sturdy metal frame and painted finish give it a durable and stable structure, built to last. Plus, it's easy to disassemble for cleaning, which keeps the fan in top condition for years. The dimensions are compact yet effective, measuring approximately 18.3 inches in diameter, 7.7 inches wide, and 18.3 inches tall. Weighing just over 8 pounds, it's lightweight enough to mount easily but solid enough to hold steady during operation. This fan is versatile enough for indoor and outdoor use, suitable for areas like kitchens, garages, patios, or even your home office. The design blends well with modern interiors thanks to its sleek gold finish. In summary, the TMWINGS 18-inch wall-mount fan with remote control offers strong airflow, quiet operation, easy remote management, and space-saving convenience. Whether you want to keep cool in a bedroom, improve ventilation in a garage, or add comfort to your workspace, this fan is a reliable choice that delivers excellent value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile wall-mounted oscillating fan, the TMWINGS model is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.